Hi lovelies, and welcome back. And on today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make this tradition in a bowl, authentic Nigerian spicy cow leg pepper soup. Did you hear that? If you know this is what will interest you, just stay tuned because we are diving into the cooking. So right away, this is my nicely washed cow leg, which I've already done washed thoroughly. Did you understand? So in this my cow leg, I'll be adding in some ingredients, and here it is. So here I added in the dried pepper. This is Cameroon pepper, nicely blended, and I added in the pepper soup spice, and that's just what I showed to you. And after this, I'll be adding in what? I'll be adding in my spices. I added in the shrimps powder as well, and then people, I added in what? I added in my Uziza powder, and here I added in dried onions, and that was it. I didn't add in salt at this stage. I just poured in water to cover the cow leg, and then I added in prekese. This is also known as what? Ihiokiriho in my native language, and I covered this and will cook until this button comes up. Okay, so here in this pot, I'll be adding in my native wrap known as ajun bise. In case you don't know what this thing does, I'll be leaving the benefits in the description box. This wrap helps the nursing mother to regain nutrients lost during childbirth, and it's good for fertility and weight loss. Okay, so you can see the cow leg has cooked nicely, and then I transferred my pot to the other side, and here I'm going to be taking out the words. This my wrap, ajun bise wrap. Please, if you give birth, make sure you enjoy this. I'm actually making this soup for a sister that just put to bed, and that is it. So you can see, people, this is what it is, and now we are going to open. You can see the button is down. Please make sure your pressure cooker button is down before you open it. Okay, and here it is. We are going to check the tenderness of this meat, and I think it is ready. In fact, it has cooked as I want it, and we are just going to start the normal cooking. So I'll be pouring this cow leg into the other pot of the ajun bise so that we can cook properly, and that's what we are just doing right now. And here, people, I'll be adding in the yam because I'm going to be serving this with yam inside it for this my darling sister. So I'm just putting in the yam, and after putting in the yam, I'll be adding in other spices. So at this point, make sure you do what you like this video, share, and make sure you comment at the end. And I've just added in my Uziza powder, and now I'm putting in the shrimps powder, and after that I'll also be adding in the pepper soup spice. I'm just showing you this. And also, people, remember we've not added salt from the beginning, and after this I added in my ehuru. I just added in ehuru, and I stirred, and people, I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing. So people, I added in salt right away, and people, you can see, and I squeezed in a half of cubes, a seasoning cube. I squeezed in half of it, and I added in my fresh scotch bonnet pepper, added in a bit of the onions. We'll be using the rest towards the end. And here comes my words, my dry Uziza leaf that I've already washed, and here is the scent leaf, all dried, and I've washed them thoroughly. And then I added in my crayfish. Yes, people, add in crayfish as much as you want. This doesn't have add 2, add 3. No, add to your desired taste. Okay, and now you can see me stirring and stirring, and look at how everything is looking. I hope this has called you. And I added in my fish powder. This fish powder is just like the crayfish, but it gives it that taste. And remember, I'm adding dried fish, and that's just what I topped in right away. You can see, people, and remember we are also going to be adding in a fresh leaf to this, but let's allow this to cook for a while before we add in that. So here comes it. I added in the remaining part of the onions, and then I added in my nicely washed spinach. Oh my god, yes. So this is to add that green texture to it so that we can enjoy it. Did you see that? Look at, people, this is ready, and I say like this video, please like it. And I added the last crayfish I wanted to add to give it that my local taste at the end of the cooking. Look at it, people, look at it. This is just delicious, and you know you can't just waste it. This is how it is at the end of the day, and I served it, and I know this my tradition in a bowl has called you. If you know it called you, answer it in the comment section. Did you see how that is looking? And people, I hope someone is going to try this. Serve it as a winter soup because winter is here. We are going to enjoy winter with a pepper soup. Look at the wrap. Oh my god, this is a wrap. This is a wrap. If you don't like ajumbisi, you can actually opt out. Let me just note that here. So people, I hope you have enjoyed your view, and I know someone is going to share this video. So on a good and pleasant note, people, it will be a great pleasure to have your beautiful and gorgeous looking faces in the next episode of Mom Essy Kitchen and more. Remember, I love you all, but it all God loves you most. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.